Hi, I'm Charlotte with Charlotte Unbox, and I've taken a bit of a break, so I haven't done a video in I don't even know how long. I found that it's a lot easier to create content for other social media platforms since I don't have the greatest bandwidth for my internet and it takes forever to upload anything. So today I'm trying something different and I'm utilizing my Mac computer so that way I don't have to worry about uploading from the phone to the computer. So we'll see how it goes. But I wanted to do a video today because I have a bunch of packages. I have 2 packages that came in, plus I've got my book of the month box, so I can do a book of the month unboxing. So let's get started. I'm going to do the book of the month first because I am most excited about this one because an author that has become my favorite author over probably the past year. I think she's been writing books for a few years, but I didn't find her till this year, and her book is in here. So super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and let's see what we've got. So, as always, it has my name on it, which is always so much fun. You might not be able to see that, but that's okay. So let's get this open, and I can show you. So my pick for the month is a nonfiction book called Big Friendship. So it's Big Friendship, How We Keep Each Other Close. And from what I understand, this is about female friendships and female relationships with each other. Oh, this is fun. A close friendship is one of the most influential and important relationships a human life can contain. Anyone will tell you that, but most people don't talk about what it really takes to stay friends for the long haul. So this was my pick out of the 5 books for Book of the Month. In Book of the Month, you also have the ability to pick add-ons that aren't necessarily available from the picks. So my other 2 books are add-ons that were new for the month. And one of them is a YA book, and it's called Girl, Serpent, Thorn, and it sounded really interesting. And it's by, I'm going to say the name totally wrong, Melissa Bashar-Dost. So, Girl, Serpent, Thorn. Seems super interesting. And then this is the one that I was waiting for. And it is What You've Wished For by Catherine Center. I read Things You Save in a Fire earlier this year, which was really good. And then I read How to Walk Away last month, I think. And that one just blew me away. So this is her brand new book, and I'm super excited about it. I also love the covers of the last 3 books that she's done. I think they're so much fun. And today for Instagram, the prompt for the July challenge that I'm doing is beautiful color covers. And so I'm definitely going to highlight Catherine Center and her last 3 books because I love the bright colors. And the other fun thing that she did is on the title page. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like a coloring book. So I'm going to color that in, and it's going to be fun. So let's see what I have next. So I got these from Better World Books. And the cool thing about Better World Books is the money that they make goes to helping with literacy in various different countries, which I like. So let's see what we've got in this one. Oh my goodness. Ah, that was fun. Okay, so we've got Searching for Sylvia Lee. And this is by Jean Kwok. And this is a Read with Jenna book that comes from June of last year. And that's Searching for Sylvia Lee. And let's see what's in my other package. Another package from Better World Books. Hopefully this one's easier to get into because it's not stuck to the book itself. That's always fun. This one has 2 books in it. the scissors. There we go. Okay, we've got The Last Romantics by Tara Conklin. This is the first Read with Jenna book, or first book pick that Read with Jenna did back in March of 2019. And then The Unwinding of the Miracle. I don't know, it's got a library cover, so it's hard to see. And this one was the April 2019 Read with Jenna pick. So that's my book haul and my book of the month unboxing. I'm excited. And I will be hopefully back to give you guys book reviews. If not, always feel free to check out my blog. I'll go ahead and put it in the description. But check out my blog and you can see my book reviews if I don't get them onto my YouTube channel. Happy reading. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. Bye.